friends. Welcome to our language lessons with Miss Beth. Today, we are going to learn a new letter and sound. Today, we will learn the letter that comes right before the N in the alphabet. There's the N, whoop, and we learned that yesterday. So the one that comes before is M, yes. So today we will talk about the letter M, and M says Now, do you think the lowercase is a tall letter or a short letter? Yes, it's a short letter. All right, so we're going to look at that in just a second. Let's start with our sound chant. Ready? A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says eh, 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 eh. F says f, 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 f. G says g, 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 g. H says h, 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 h. I says I, 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 I. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says o, 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 o. M says N says O says ah, 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 ah. P says p, 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 p. Q says qu, 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 qu. R says r, 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 r. S says s, s, s. T says t, 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 t. U says uh. V says v, 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 v. W says w, 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 w. X says x, 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 x. Y says y, 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 y. Z says z, 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 z. Nice job, friends. Let's look at the letter M and the sound like mail carrier, mop, mug, mushroom, mouse, and one more. Let me move this up a little bit. It is something that you see your reflection in. You often find it in your bathroom or maybe a bedroom. Can you guess what it is? It begins with and you can see yourself in it. Yes, mirror, mirror. M says like mail carrier, mop, mug, mushroom, mouse, and mirror. All right, friends, I'm going to move over our mail carrier, mop, mug, mushroom, mouse, and mirror. Please get your letter card, your M letter card, out of your envelope. And the big M out of your envelope. This is M. M says Now today, instead of using rice or Play-Doh, which you obviously can do anytime, I'm going to trace my M in a different way. I'm going to use my mail carrier, and I'm going to pretend that my mail carrier is delivering mail. Mail. So we're going to start at the dotted line. Ready? Dotted line to the baseline, deliver mail. Up to the dotted line, deliver mail. Down to the baseline, deliver mail. Turn. Back up to the dotted line, deliver some mail. And down to the baseline. I'm going to do it all at one time. If you have a little man character or a male character or a piece of mail, you can trace also. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. M. M says like mail carrier. This M goes back in your box with your other letters so that you can practice those. Keep going back to those every day. Next, I would like you to find your M scavenger hunt. And then you can find someone to help you find the items on your scavenger hunt. Please get your scissors out of your box. Cut on the black line. This is what the capital M looks like. Make sure your scissors go back in your box. And you may either put your paper in recycling or into the garbage can. All right, on your letter M scavenger hunt, it says, find some milk. Find a piece of mail. Your mail carrier may have delivered it. Find some money. Find a mug. Mug. Find a man. Find a mop. Find a monkey. Ooh, you might have a stuffed animal monkey, or you might need to look on your iPad for an image of a monkey. Find a mountain. Maybe you can find a mountain in a book that you have or a magazine. Find some music to listen to. Find something you want more of. More apples or vegetables or maybe more cookies or more melon. Find March on the calendar. Friends, that is a fun scavenger hunt. Make sure you find someone fun to do it with. And then put your scavenger hunt and your M into your baggie and put your baggie back in your box. Thank you for joining me for the first part of our M lesson. Click on the next video to find out how to form your M. See you soon.